tonight. Fucked and drank all night. Acted all alright. Had no need to fight. Tonight. Cast me far.
Bonjour, je suis USPhite.
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I am going to make a new video.
In this video, I'll show you guys our
Epic
Sylhet tour that we made almost 1 year ago. Well, the COVID situation was pretty different back then. Even there wasn't any lockdown.
Anyway,
Our tour was about 3 nights and 2 days long. In this video, I'll be covering the first day of our tour, JAFLONG. Why in English? Well, I started with Bengali, but don't know why it sounded so much weird that I ended up saying Dharba. Anyway, let's just climb into the main video. So our plan was to start off from Gazipur at 9:30 PM, reaching Sylhet approximately at 4 or 5 AM, finding there an affordable hotel, resting there for a while, and then to JAFLONG. We hired an AC microbus for the whole journey, containing 12 seats as we were 12 people in total. Throughout the entire journey, different kinds of music were being played continuously in the car, regardless of the genre. Sometimes we tried to sing. The driver was literally playing GTA with the car. Maybe just to entertain us. Not entertaining though. Come on, who doesn't like a roller coaster ride on a plain road? Expectedly, we arrived Sylhet at 4:30 AM. While we were waiting out here, Shotcho and Yasin searched and booked a hotel. It was just beside Hazrat Shahjalal's Mazar. Now I'll show you some
epic
shots of our hotel. Anyway, it was almost morning when we checked in. For our morning feast, we stopped at one of the most popular restaurants in Sylhet, the Panchi restaurant. This chicken khichdi was too good for only 30 bucks. And not gonna lie, this tea was amazing. The way to JAFLONG was great. Everything seemed normal until this scenario came up. We were a little bit confused whether it's cloud or hill. All of us were looking at those intently. See how awesome it looks. We were still oblivious of what lied ahead of us. As soon as we got closer towards those hills, we immediately told the driver to park the car. We gotta see this right now. Here we be like,
Oh my god! Wow!
we saw that rain coming, but when it actually came,
Why are you running? Why are you running?
boom! Here we go, JAFLONG. But as it was still raining, we had to wait here for almost 2 hours. We thought our tour was just ruined.
It's time to stop, okay? No more.
But after a while, the rain subsided and we didn't wait for a second more. Next we will be visiting Swapnopunji, which includes a Khashiapara, a small tea garden and finally the Mayabi Jhorna. All of them were across the lake.
We were carried by an auto rickshaw through all of Swapnopunji. The weather was so charming. Those minimalistic buildings and people of that Khashiapara impressed us a lot. The scene looked like it came out of a piece of art. At this point, we were expecting to see a Srimangal kind of tea garden, as Sylhet is well known for tea. But it was different. Well, those shops are very interesting. You can buy imported pickles, soaps, chocolates, tea at such an affordable price. The tea garden wasn't that much blissful. It was full of blood-sucking leeches. Nothing memorable with this place except this selfie. After getting an unpleasant experience from the tea garden, we headed towards the Mayabi Jhorna with lots of expectations. We had to cross the lake again with a hand-rowing boat. As none of us had ever seen a waterfall before, for us, the first glance of the waterfall was so freaking incredible. We left our phones in the locker and immediately ran towards it and soon started to climb up. We were extremely happy. All of this was way beyond of our imagination and expectations. Oops, wrong music.
At about 2:30 PM, we came back to the restaurant and had our lunch. After spending the whole day full of adventure and excitement, we all sat together to appreciate the mesmerizing scenery of Meghalaya city from JAFLONG. Just right before coming back, we had this awesome tea. In our way back to the hotel, we visited Tamabil Bridge, the border between India and Bangladesh. We didn't stay there for too long as everyone was so tired. For dinner, we went to the Panch Bhai restaurant. Some of us ate kachi biryani and the rest had chicken chop with roti. Not gonna lie, the ambience was good enough and the food quality was top notch. After that, we went out to see Sylhet city by foot. This bridge is called Selfie Bridge. At first when I heard that name, I died out of cringe. Well, this bridge looks good, but why? Why Selfie Bridge? We were returning to the hotel by rickshaw. The ride was so soothing. There was a gentle breeze that made us sing. Overall, the day was full of excitement and thrill. It was such an incredible day. Stay tuned for our last day's journey to Shadapathor and Ratargul. If you enjoyed the video, slap like now and
Please subscribe.